How to get entire order for free on Temu. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Temu. Make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on New at the bottom. Scroll down and you'll find the option of Earn Credits and Gifts. Head over to it. Right here you can see Hat-Trick Gifts. Tap on Get Now. Tap on Earn My Gifts. There you can see you have received 100% off. In its page you can see how many gifts you can win. Choose any of the gifts from here. Let me tap on it. There you can see you have received 2 gifts more as a reward. Now you will be able to pick the items that you want. From here you can pick any 4 items that you want to receive. Once you have picked all of the gifts, tap on Confirm right here. Right here you can see it says all of the items are free for you. Now you can simply add your address and you'll be good to go. Also at the top right, you can see it says invite friends to receive gifts. Once your invitation has been accepted, you will also be able to get entire order for free. So that's it, and this was a tutorial free on how to get entire gifts for free on Temu. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.